Hey guys, Richard here with AGA Tools. Today's live segment is actually going to be a shop walkthrough. We're here at our main facility here in Escondido, California. You'll see the name AGA Tools. We actually have two companies here, AGA Tools, which I'm a part of. We manufacture automotive tools mainly for the road division, BMW vehicles and other European brands. But we also have our sister company called AGM. For those that don't know about them, they focus on the off-road side of the industry. They have electric jack, manual jacks for your UTVs, brake bleeders, CV savers, again, for all your off-road vehicles. So if you're into off-road, you should actually check them out. But for the meantime, let's come inside and take a look at our shop. Right here is going to be our front showroom, and you guys will see AGA Tools and AGM. Our front desk, waiting area, and then you're going to walk into our showroom. This is the AGA Clean Oil Series setup, our infamous AGA table. We're going to see the AGM side right here, and as like I mentioned, they're all the off-road products. One of their more popular items is, like I said, is the jacks, and then also their off-road tanks for your UTVs. So again, if you guys are in the off-road industry, definitely check out their website. Then more of our components on this side. Right here, valve stem seals, oil drain plug repair kits, brake rotor gauge tools, axle pullers, just everything that we offer. But I'll show you guys where the magic happens right back here in the shop. So this right here is going to be our assembly room right here. A lot of the magic happens back here. We got Tom and Mike, production manager, building stuff. Here we're building components for the vacuum regulator, our drain plug testing station right here, our drain plugs all stationed ready to be built. These are the raw materials, as you can see, build them by the thousands. Another station for our drain plugs. These are our remote pumps. If you guys haven't seen already, these are the ones that go onto our clean oil systems, whether it's a compact, mid-size, or a full-size oil system. These are the pumps that are included to extract oil from the oil pan. Casings and setup for the drain plugs. And we're actually going to walk into the shop now. Max, our media guy right here, taking pictures. Our receiving bench, shipping bench outgoing. This is the AGM side, where they take care of all their stuff and their shipping. AGA Tools on this side. And then here is where more magic happens. As you guys can see here, this is some of our clean oil systems. Really popular item within the AGA world. There's more and more companies getting to mobile service. And so to do that, how to offer mobile service, they are buying our equipment. This is our compact system where it holds 40 gallons of new oil, and then there's also a 40-gallon waste tank. This is our big kahuna right here, where it goes in the back of a Sprinter van. Really popular item, and again, this allows an independent shop or dealership to go out and service fleet accounts, whether it's John's Plumbing or a FedEx yard, or even rental car companies. Rental car companies are now looking for people to come to them to get their car service. So, in order to do that, you would get something like this. Our mid-size units right here. Actually, right here we have one of our distributors' orders. This is one of their smaller stocking orders. You guys can kind of see what they're getting. Brake bleeders, auxiliary plug repair kits, part cable clips, very popular item. Tool settings. Over here we have Gio working on our oil system. Right here. Gio, what you got going on over here?
Just putting the back cover on the pump.
Okay. So these will cover up the pumps when they're inside the vehicles.
Correct.
Yeah, awesome. Sweet. Thank you, Gio. And this is our full-size unit, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. These are 50 feet long hose reels. So when you install one of our systems in your van, you don't have to park right next to the customer's car. Like I said, these hoses extend out to 50 feet long, so good reach for those hose reels. Right here, components for our lift tables, a very popular item of ours. Many of you guys are familiar with our lift tables. If you guys are not familiar with our lift tables, these are the fixtures that we design and go onto our table. This is what makes our table universal. You can bolt these fixtures right here. I'm gonna just take one for example. Take a bolt this down, and move this in any direction you want, making our table really universal. These are included with the purchase of our lift table, so don't think you have to buy these separate. So if you guys want more information, visit our website, agatools.com. Lift tables getting assembled. Each one gets tested and gone through. We leak test it to make sure they don't sink down. So that way, we take a lot of pride in quality control. We make sure everything works before it leaves our shop. It's very important to us. We know time is of the essence, and so when you guys get the tool, most of the time you guys are using it right away. So when it shows up, we want to make sure it works the first time you go to use it. You come on over here. We got our welder James working on some tanks. We have 2 full-time welders. We also have Matt, but he's not sitting there right now. I might have gotten him in trouble by mentioning that. We got our small CNC machine and our big one. I can't see what's going on in there, so I'm not even going to try to tell you guys what it is. It most likely is our part cable clips. Now that I'm looking at it, it's our part cable clips being machined. We got Cooper over here running the big CNC machine. This is a product that we are working for a car manufacturer. Can't talk too much about it, but just know we have something cooking right now. Our press, saw, our lathe, mill, everything's going on. James working on his magic. Don't stare directly at that. All the hardware. So we're a complete shop. All of our materials, sheet metal cutter, bandsaw, benders. We kind of have it all here at AGA Tools. Cutting up material right here. And then we're going to go into our storage facility over here. What I'm about to show you guys is very expensive, top quality. Our paint booth. This is where more magic happens. This is a very high-end paint booth, power coating station as well. Just top of the line, you guys. I want you guys to know that. As you can see out here, components for our oil systems. These are the waste tanks. These are the new oil tanks for the full-size oil systems. Our lift table is staged to go out. We actually have more over there. This is a new storage building that we just built. And actually, I want to show you guys the van. Follow me this way. We got Liz driving the forklift. And so, if you guys are in Southern California, SSF is holding a customer appreciation party tomorrow. I believe it's at Ballast Point Brewery. We will be there with our van. So if you guys are local, make sure to stop by. And I'll show you guys the van really quick. Come out and check out the van. We'll be there tomorrow with some of our tools. This is our mobile tool van. We go around to different shops and show everyone what we offer. Most of you guys might have seen us a few years ago when we did the tour around the country. If you guys are interested in us doing that again, make sure to comment, send us a message so we know. We might be doing that again. Also, one thing I want to mention, we are doing a giveaway. Can't go into the details right now, but make sure you check out our post that's going to go live tomorrow on that giveaway. If you guys want to enter it, you got to do a couple things. You got to follow AGA Tools, like the post, and tag 3 friends. So keep an eye out for it, all right? Well, you guys, that's it for our Instagram Live segment today. See you guys next time.